This is the Relax Bathing System by GK Systems. It's a tilt recline system. Here is your fresh shower wand. This is your disinfectant shower wand to be used when cleaning. To start the bath, simply press any button. You'll see that there's a button to tilt back, tilt forward, raise, lower, fill, shower, shampoo, bath oil, and disinfect. Generally, whatever's lit is what is available as an option at this point. The tub in its ready position is in an inclined position. To open the door, simply grasp it and pull up, and the door will come up safely. There is a pedicure attachment, which is there, which can be used on the side wall to support someone's feet. There is bath pads, a headrest, which is available, as well as additional pads for support and comfort. It's not recommended that these be used for everyone, just for those individuals that need a little bit of extra support. Once the bath is finished and cleaned, the pad should be hung to dry. To start the bath, you'll notice that there is a drain and there is a turn valve. Turning it counterclockwise will open it. Turning it 1/4 twist to the right will close it. What you could do now is you can just start the fill. This has an automatic fill, so it will stop when it reaches just to this height. That will allow you to go get the resident, bring them in, and have them seat and pivot on this chair. To assist with the resident sitting, you can use the high, low to help them in getting the proper seating position. As you can see, the bath has stopped filling on the lower sensor. This will allow you to bring the resident in and sit them in a position and pivot their feet into the bathtub. Once the resident is in position, simply close the door and by pressing down firmly, ensure that it is in the 9 o'clock position. Now, with the resident in the bath, tilt the bath back. You can see that the wet water starts to cascade into the back. The resident should be prompted at this point that they will be tilted back, just to remind them. And what you'll see here is the water going back into the reclined position. Now, to complete the bath filling, press the fill button again. You'll note that the temperature is preset. You can go colder for the blue, warmer for the red, and this comes in around the 38, 39 degree mark. It is possible to achieve a higher temperature by pressing this button and turning it to the red. You can see that we're getting a little bit higher temperature. When bathing a resident, though, you always must also test the hotness or the coolness of the water first with your hand, regardless of what the temperature says. Once it's finished, basically open up the drain, and tilt the unit forward. So now what will happen is, because it's so full of water, it won't tilt forward yet. As there's a sensor there, it'll only tilt forward when the water has come down sufficiently enough. So if you recall, when we filled it, it came down to about where the leg area starts to bend, where the hand is, near the bottom of the hand rail. So once it gets down there, we'll be able to tilt the unit forward.